Hey, what's up everyone? It's Brian for GumballTech.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add more memory to your iPhone or iPod Touch. Now this doesn't actually add physical RAM to it, but it instead gives your iPhone or iPod Touch the capability to use virtual memory. So now what this means is that you'll get a little boost in performance, running games, opening apps, things like that. So the first thing you need to do is open up Cydia. And then once it loads, you have to add our repo, which is gumballtech.com/Cydia. You could do this in Manage, then Sources when it comes up, Edit, and then Add. And then when you're done with that, just go to Search and type in iMemory Enhancer. This is a package that we made all by ourselves. And then once you get to the screen, you have to install it. And then after you install it, you have to reboot your device. You could do that either by holding the power button and then sliding it to power the device off, or if you have SBSettings, which you actually need to do this properly, you could just go to Power and then Reboot. Now, when your device reboots, you shouldn't notice any change. To actually use this properly, you need to open up SBSettings, and then you need to do a free memory run. You could just tap on the processes toggle, and then free up memory. Now this process could take anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds, and your device may become unresponsive during this time. So don't worry about it, just wait. And then as you can see, well, it's still not done. Like, when the processes toggle goes away, you still have to wait a little while for it to finish its stuff. So we're just going to wait a little bit longer. Alright, now as you can see, I have 80 megs of available memory. That's almost double what people usually have. And then you could close out of SBSettings and you could go do whatever you want. I did notice the slight performance increase. Loading simple apps is a little bit quicker. Right there was pretty slow, but it's mainly for running games that use a lot of memory. Like some of the Need for Speed games will probably run better. GTA could probably run pretty good, especially Asphalt 5. That runs a lot better now than it did without the memory enhancer. But do use this at your own risk. For some people, it makes things faster. Some people, they don't really notice a change. Some people, it makes things slower. So you just have to try it out and, see what your experience is like. And let me know. Just leave a comment in this video. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment. We'll see you soon.